Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody was mentioning a few days ago in the comments about how he finds that the Windows sounds have been actually softening up over time. And they actually do. And I thought it would be fun to listen together to the startup sounds and the shutdown sound of every version of Windows from Windows 3.1 to Windows 11. And I'll share this website if you want to have your own sounds. You can even set up your Windows 11 to sound like Windows 3 if you want. So here we are with Windows 3 startup sound and shutdown. So this I definitely remember. And if you guys remember the sound of the crashing, which was always kind of not just annoying, it was almost stressful when an application would crash in Windows 3. Then you have Windows 3.1 for work groups. Windows 95. What was the Windows 95? And here's another default sound for Windows 95. So that was actually a sound that was still there in some cases, but the startup sound is much smoother though here. And let's move on to what people had as actually Windows in the consumer market. So Windows 98. And so that was the startup and log off sound. Then we go to Windows Millennium and Windows 2000. That I do remember very well. And this one is a file that's present in Windows 2000, but not necessarily Millennium. Windows XP. That wasn't bad. I liked this one, actually. I found it really cool. The log off sound. Yeah. Oh, man. That brings me back in time here. Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, it says here. So we're going to see what that is. Yeah, it's not necessarily the case of 8 or 10, but log off. Okay, yeah, that one. Windows 11. It's extremely soft in Windows 11. I think the sounds have been, reproduced to change things. So they're not all exactly the sounds that we might have heard. Particularly here, I think that one thing we got to know also is that on Windows 7, 8, and even 10, and even on other Windows operating system, remember that you could have had different sounds also due to the fact that some manufacturers actually had their own startup and shutdown sounds that they would replace the Windows sounds with. So kind of interesting to see this. So anyways, I'll share this with you guys, and if you want to check out the different Windows sounds, you'll be able to check that out. There's even here here's a video. They even have a video that you can check out concerning this. So we're going actually to share this website if you want to continue checking it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.